copying, displaying, performing, distributing or creating derivative works based on this work or any other project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work. The Foundation makes no representations concerning the copyright status of any work in any country other than the United States. Unless you have removed all references to Project Gutenberg. 1.1. The following sentence, with active links to, or other immediate access to, the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license must appear prominently whenever any copy of a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work, any work on which the phrase Project Gutenberg appears, or with which the phrase Project Gutenberg is associated, is accessed, displayed, performed, viewed, copied or distributed. This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no restriction whatsoever. You may copy it, give it away or reuse it under the terms of the Project Gutenberg license included with this ebook or online at www.gutenberg.org. If you are not located in the United States, you will have to check the laws of the country where you are located before using this ebook. 1.2. If an individual Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is derived from texts not protected by US copyright law, does not contain a notice indicating that it is posted with permission of the copyright holder, the work can be copied and distributed to anyone in the United States without paying any fees or charge. If you are redistributing or providing access to a work with the phrase Project Gutenberg associated with or appearing on the work, you must comply either with the requirements of paragraphs 1.1 through 1.7 or obtain permission for the use of the work and the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark as set forth in paragraphs 1.8 or 1.9. 1.3. If an individual Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is posted with the permission of the copyright holder, your use and distribution must comply with both paragraphs 1.1 through 1.7 and any additional terms imposed by the copyright holder. Additional terms will be linked to the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license for all works posted with the permission of the copyright holder found at the beginning of this work. 1.4. Do not unlink or detach or remove the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license terms from this work, or any file containing a part of this work or any other work associated with Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. 1.5. Do not copy, display, perform, distribute or redistribute this electronic work, or any part of this electronic work, without permanently displaying the sentence set forth in paragraph 1.1 with active links or immediate access to the full terms of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. 1.6. You may convert to and distribute this work in any binary, compressed, marked up, non-proprietary or proprietary form, including any word processing or hypertext form. However, if you provide access to or distribute copy of a project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work in a format other than plain vanilla ASCII or other format used in the official version posted on the official project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial website, www.gutenberg.org, you must, at no additional cost, fee or expense to the user, provide a copy, a means of exporting a copy, or a means of obtaining a copy upon request, of the work in its original plain vanilla ASCII or other form. Any alternate format must include the full project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license as specified in paragraph 1.e.1. 1.e.7. Do not charge a fee for access to, viewing, displaying, performing, copying or distributing any project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works unless you comply with paragraph 1.e.8 or 1.e.9. 1.e.8. You may charge a reasonable fee for copy of or providing access to or distributing project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works provided that you pay a royalty fee of 20% of the gross profit you derive from the use of project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works calculated using the method you already use to calculate your applicable tax. The fee is owed to the owner of the project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark, BU et HAS agreed to donate royalty under this paragraph to the project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Royalty payment must be paid within 60 days following each date on which you prepare, or are legally required to prepare, your periodic tax returns. Royalty payment should be clearly marked assumption to the project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation at the address specified in section 4, Information about donation to the project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. You provide a full refund of any money paid by a user who notifies you in writing, or by email, within 30 days of receipt that et does not agree to the terms of the full project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. You must require such a user to return or destroy all copy of the works possessed in a physical medium and discontinue all use of and all access to other copy of project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works. You provide, in accordance with paragraph 1.f.3, a full refund of any money paid for a work or a replacement copy, if a defect in the electronic work is discovered and reported to you within 90 days of receipt of the work. You comply with all other terms of this agreement for free distribution of project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial works. 1.e.9. If you wish to charge a fee or distribute a project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work or group of works on different terms than are set forth in this agreement, you must obtain permission in writing from the project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the manager of the project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark. Contact the Foundation à set forth in section 3 below. 1.f.1.f.1 Project Gutenberg volunteers and employees expend considerable effort to identify, do copyright research on, transcribe and proofread works not protected by US copyright law in creating the project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection. Despite these efforts, Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial Electronic Works, and the medium on which they may be stored, may contain defects such as, but not limited to, incomplete, inaccurate or corrupt data, transcription errors, a copyright or other intellectual property infringement, a defective or damaged disk or other medium, a computer virus, or computer code that damage or cannot be read by your equipment. 1.f.2 Limited warranty, disclaimer of damage, except for the right of replacement or refund described in paragraph 1.f.3, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark, and any other party distributing a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work under this agreement, disclaim all liability to you for damages, costs and expenses, including legal fees. You agree that you have no remedy for negligence, strict liability, breach of warranty or breach of contract except those provided in paragraph 1.f.3. You agree that the Foundation, the trademark owner, and any distributor under this agreement will not be liable to you for actual, direct, indirect, consequential, punitive or incidental damages even if you give notice of the possibility of such damage. 1.f.3 Limited right of replacement or refund, if you discover a defect in this electronic work within 90 days of receiving it, you can receive a refund of the money, if any, you paid for it by sending a written explanation to the person you received the work from. If you received the work on a physical medium, you must return the medium with your written explanation. The person or entity that provided you with the defective work may elect to provide a replacement copy in lieu of a refund. If you received the work electronically, the person or entity providing it to you may choose to give you a second opportunity to receive the work electronically in lieu of a refund. If the second copy is also defective, you may demand a refund in writing without further opportunities to fix the problem. 1.f.4 Except for the limited right of replacement or refund set forth in paragraph 1.f.3, this work is provided to you as, with no other warranties of any kind, express or implied, including but not limited to warranties of merchantability or fitness for any purpose. 1.f.5 Some states do not allow disclaimers of certain implied warranties or the exclusion or limitation of certain type of damages. If any disclaimer or limitation set forth in this agreement violates the law of the state applicable to this agreement, the agreement shall be interpreted to make the maximum disclaimer or limitation permitted by the applicable state law. The invalidity or unenforceability of any provision of this agreement shall not void the remaining provision. 1.f.6 Indemnity, you agree to indemnify and all the Foundation, the trademark owner, any agent or employee of the Foundation, anyone providing copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic works in accordance with this agreement, and any volunteers associated with the production, Promotion and distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale Electronic Works, harmless from all liability, costs and expenses, including legal fees, that arise directly or indirectly from any of the following which you do or cause to occur. A. Distribution of this or any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale work. B. Alteration, modification, or addition or deletions to any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale work. And C. Any defective cause. Section 2. Information about the mission of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale is synonymous with the free distribution of electronic works in format readable by the widest variety of computers including obsolete, old, middle-aged and new computers. It exists because of the effort of hundreds of volunteers and donations from people in all walks of life. Volunteers and financial support to provide volunteers with the assistance they need are critical to reaching Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale's goals and ensuring that the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale collection will remain freely available for generations to come. In 2001, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation was created to provide a secure and permanent future for Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale and future generations. To learn more about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation and how your efforts and donations can help, see section 3 and 4 and the Foundation information page at www.gutenberg.org. Section 3. Information about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation is a non-profit 501, c3, educational corporation organized under the laws of the state of Mississippi and granted tax-exempt status by the Internal Revenue Service. The Foundation SEIN or Federal Tax Identification Number is 64 à 6 221 541. Contribution to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation are tax deductible to the full extent permitted by U.S. federal laws and your state's laws. The Foundation's business office is located at 809 North 1500 West, Salt Lake City, U84116, 801, 596 à 1887. Email contact links and up-to-date contact information can be found at the Foundation's website and official page at www.gutenberg.org/contact. Section 4. Information about donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale depends upon and cannot survive without widespread public support and donation to carry out its mission of increasing the number of public domain and licensed works that can be freely distributed in machine-readable form accessible by the widest array of equipment including outdated equipment. Many small donations, $1 to $5,000, are particularly important to maintaining tax-exempt status with the IRS. The Foundation is committed to complying with the laws regulating charities and charitable donations in all 50 states of the United States. Compliance requirements are not uniform and it takes a considerable effort, much paperwork and money fees to meet and keep up with these requirements. We do not solicit donations in location where we have not received written confirmation of compliance. To send donation or determine the status of compliance for any particular state, visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. While we can and do not solicit contribution from states where we have not met the solicitation requirements, we know of no prohibition against accepting unsolicited donation from donors in such states who approach us with offers to donate. International donations are gratefully accepted, but we cannot make any statements concerning tax treatment of donations received from outside the United States. US laws alone swam for small staff. Please check the Project Gutenberg web page for current donation methods and addresses. Donations are accepted in a number of other ways, including checks, online payments and credit card donation. To donate, please visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. Section 5. Général information about Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale électronique works. Professor Michael S. R. was the originator of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale concept of a library of electronic works that could be freely shared with anyone. For 40 years, a produced and distributed Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale ebooks with only a loose network of volunteer support. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale ebooks are often created from several printed editions, all of which are confirmed and not protected by copyright in the US unless a copyright notice is included. Thus, we do not necessarily keep ebooks in compliance with any particular paper edition. Most people start at our website, which has the main page search facility, www.gutenberg.org. This website includes information about Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale, including how to make donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, how to help produce our new ebooks, and how to subscribe to our email newsletter to read about new ebooks. Les angoisses douloureuses qui procèdent d'amour, composées par Dame Élisène. La première partie Élisène aux lisantes. Épître dédicative y commencement des angoisses amoureuses de Dame Élisène, indoors pour son ami Gunnelic II. L'origine du divertissement de Élisène, pour aimer à reproche 3. Élisène surprince d'amour est aperçue de son mari Iyi. Élisène change de logis non pas de QRV. Élisène se passionne pour son ami 6. La jalousie du mari avec la description d'une femme laide 7. Les approches des deux amants pour parler ensemble 8. Les amants pour n'extraper cuse de lettre 9. La lecture des lettres de l'amoureuse X lettres que la dame escript à son ami 11. Le courroux du mari jaloux, et l'excuse de sa femme 12. L'impatience d'amour par despit cherche la mort 13. Le conseil du serviteur fidèle 13. Par 5 admonestements femmes d'amour piquées ne veulent désistent 15. Cueur de femmes obstinées en amour est impossible de réduire 16. Moyen de femme pour voir son ami 17. Devise des amants pour faire les approches 18. Continuation des colloques amoureux 19. Complainte d'amoureuse XX. Reproche de l'ami à sa dame pour trop languir xxi. Increpation du folk rapport xxi. Exclamation piteuse de Élisène contre son ami Txieu. Départ de Élisène du lieu où elle est moi Txieu. Regrets de Élisène pour être transport en lieu à soi non agréable xxv. Élisène fut enclose en une tour et eut en sa compagnie seulement 2 damoiselles xxvi. Les advertissements de l'ancienne damoiselle reconfortant Élisène Tecvi. La délibération de Élisène après avoir entendu les remonstrances de l'ancienne damoiselle Tecvie. Conclusion du livre. La seconde partie. À toutes nobles et vertueuses dames Élisène humble salut Dei. Où sont relits les angoisses du Dick Gunnelic 2. Deux émis qui découvrent les secrets de leurs amours l'une à l'autre 3. Rencontre de brigands sur le chemin, et de leurs défectés. Les adventures des 2 compagnons en leur pérégrination vers cérémonie d'amour, entre 2 compagnons 6. Préparation à une tournée de prince 7. Exercice de chevalerie 8. Les 2 compagnons sont fixes chevalier 9. Fixe d'armes de jeune chevalier X. Fin du tournoi, et victoire pour le jeune chevalier 11. Feste nuptiale et fruition d'amour 12. L'estat et libéralité d'une princesse monarque 13. Assaut de ville, et emprisonnement de Gunnelic, et de sa délivrance 13. Combat de 2 champions pour apaiser une guerre 15. Départ des 2 chevaliers compagnons, des dons de la dame, et de leurs nouvelles adventures 16. La débonnaire d'un prince envers ses subjects. Avec la poursuite des adventures des 2 chevaliers, la tierce partie Gunnelic persiste en ses aventures pour trouver Samaï 2. Collocution d'une religieuse personne avec un amoureux 3. Après maintes travaux Gunnelic a nouvelle de Samaï. Épistre des 2 amantes qui longtemps ne se virent Gunnelic enfin parle à sa dame 6. Narration des adventures de l'une et de l'autre partie des amants 7. Subtils moyens de l'amoureux pour parvenir à la présence de sa dame 8. Infortuné délivrement de Élisène, et fin des amours de Gunnelic 8. Repentance de Élisène et de son trespass 9. Regrets de l'ami, de la mort de sa dame. X le trespass de Gunnelic 11. Ample narration fectée par Quesinstra 12. Conclusion pour perpétuer la présente histoire. Table note du transcripteur The Full Project Gutenberg Licence.